I think it's extremely important to find an IVF doctor who respects you, who trusts you, and who values your opinion. And unfortunately, that's becoming increasingly hard. And that's true not just in India, but all over the world. That's partly because doctors are extremely busy. They don't have time. They run assembly line operations. They know they've got 15 patients to see within a couple of hours, and they can only allot 10 minutes to each patient. And the problem is that a lot of this time is allotted in evaluating the medical history and the medical records of the patient. Now, it's true that a lot of doctors will use assistants in order to do that, but the fact of the matter is that the doctor still uses his brain to make the final decision. Now, what happens is there is complete information asymmetry. The doctor is on a pedestal because he's an expert. The patient says, hey, I'm paying the consultation fee to this expert, so I need to let the doctor make the decisions. And this is not correct. Partly because there are so many options, and partly because this is all elective treatment. And this is why you need to find a doctor who will treat you like a respected partner, not a doctor who tells you what to do and expects you to follow orders and not ask questions and say, yes, doctor, you're the doc, you tell me what to do and I will do it blindly. You need to find a doctor who will act as a coach, as a guide, as a mentor, who will educate you, who will explain your options to you, but who will allow you to make your own decisions. And the reality, some of these are decisions which the doctor may not even agree with. But ultimately, it's not the doctor's life, it's your baby, it's your family you're building. And you need to be very clear and you need to be able to have the courage to speak up. And the tragedy is that in India, you need courage to speak up in front of a doctor, which is ridiculous. Medicine is a service profession. Doctors need to put patients first and not order patients what to do. And I think this is why it's important that not only do you need to do your own homework, organize your medical records, be very clear about your goals, but also find a doctor who will respect your preferences and will do what is in your best interests, not what is in the doctor's best interests.